Now subsets. Subsets. Let A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. If every element of A is also an element of B, then A is called subset of B, denoted by A is a subset B. This is a subset sign. A is a subset of B. We read it as A as a subset of B. Example, A having A, B, E, three elements. B having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. All these three elements which belongs to A belongs to A, B belongs to A set, E belongs to A set, implies that A belongs to B, B belongs to B, E also belongs to, this is E, E belongs to B. Three elements of A belongs to three elements of these three elements belongs to B also. So we write A is a subset of B. It is a sign. Sign of subset is U right side opened. U right side opened is a subset sign. Now superset. Let A and B are two sets. If A is a subset of B, then B is called superset of A. Superset of A, just we can change this. B opened, left opened U. B left opened. This is a superset sign. Superset sign this, subset sign this. So B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. Sorry, B is a superset of A. Here B is a superset of A. A is a subset, then B can call as B is a superset of A. Now proper subset. A and B are two sets. A is a subset of B and B contained at least one element more than A. Example, if one or many elements B have, at least B have one more element than A, then we can say that proper subset. A is a proper subset. Example of that, A have four elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. B have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 extra elements. So A is a proper subset of B. Here number of A is always less than 2 number of B. Then we can say A is a proper subset. Note, phi is a subset to every set. Null set is a subset to every set. Remember this special property. Null set is a subset to every subset. This sentence you have to remember. Here phi is a subset to A. Yes, A is any number, any set. B is also, phi is a subset to B. Phi is a subset to X. Phi is a subset to Z also. Here A, B, X, Y, Z are any sets. Either it is a finite or infinite, it is numbers, alphabets, or any type of sets are there. But phi is a subset to all. And second note, every set is a subset itself. Here we are writing subset A is a subset of A. We have to write subset sign with equality. Why? Because A is equal to A is a special subset properties where n of A equal to n of A, n of x equal to n of x, b of x, n of b equal to n of b. Equality is there. That's why we can say that every set is a subset to itself. B is a subset to B, Y is a subset to Y. Equality is given. That means A and A have the same number of elements. Here in a proper subset at least one should be less. But here both are same. So a set is a subset to itself. Remember this property. Now see that number of subsets of a given set. Now frame the all subsets of this solution. Subset of A, 1, 2, 3, A is a subset. A is a set. 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to prepare number of subset. First we are taking subset size. Here we are writing subsets. A1 is a first set. We are taking 1. A2, one element, that is 2. A3, 3. Okay. A4, take combination 1, 2. A5, 1, 3. A6, 2, 3. Okay. A7, A7 is combination over 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 is over. Now 3 numbers we have to take. 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth one is what? Eighth one is A is nothing but null set. So like that we are getting 8. So all these are called subsets of A. A having 3 elements, the number of elements subsets we are getting is 8. Now see that A, number of A is how much? 3. 3 elements. Cardinality of this is 3. Now number of subsets is, number of subsets with formula is also there. Number of subsets of A is equals to 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4 into 2, that is 8. Okay, 2 to the 4, we have take 2. Now into 8 subsets are there. 8 subsets are there in which one set is itself, another one 5 is a subset to all. So like that these up to 5 are all are subsets, and this is equivalent itself is a subset. It's nothing but A. A7 is nothing but A. So a set itself is a set subset, null is a subset to all one. Counting these two, we are getting total 8 number of subsets. So this is our formula. Just we have to take that. If 4 elements are there, 2 to the power of 4. So we can say that number of subset is number of subsets of any set. Any set A is there, then 2 to the power of cardinality. Here you have to write the cardinality. 2 to the power of cardinality of these. Take one example. We have 7 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of subsets is how much? Number of subsets is in 2 to the power of cardinality of B. So what is the cardinality? It's 7. B is how much? 7 letters it has. 7 numbers are there. So 7. 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 7 is how much? 2 into 2 into 2. We have to multiply 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 4. This also 4. This is 4 and 2. 16, 8. 48. 6 8s are 48. 4. 6 1s are 6 1. 122 subsets are possible for B. B set has 128 proper total subsets, in which B is also included and 5 is also included. 127 are proper subsets. 127 are proper subset. 1 is a itself. So 128. Now we are going to perform operations on sets. Union, intersection, minus sign, subtraction, S complement, S, C, a set is there, complement, we can write C or sometime dash, that is complements. These are the 4 operations on set. So first we will do union. Okay, union means what? Union means Union is a combination of two sets. Example of union. Suppose first example we are taking, find A union B. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now A union B means what? We have to combine, we have to take all elements of A and B. We have to write all elements of A and B. A and B. Mix it. But remember one point, while mixing that one, repeated number we have to write one at a time only. Once only. Not twice. Suppose we are taking 1. 1 here. Yes, 1 belongs to A but not there. Still we have to write in union. 2 we can write. 3, 3 both are there but we have to write one time only. 4 4 is a member of A, 4 is a member of B, but we have to write only once time, once in A union B, not more than that, 2 times there is no need to write. Okay, 5, 6, 7. So these are the union of set A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just see, these are the union. And take example 2. Find A union B. Now A is, suppose we are taking A, B, C, D and B is what? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we will get? A union B is equals to what? We have to write all elements. We can start from number or elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma A, B, C, D. All 9 elements are there. See, in this example, only common are written once. Okay. In this one, no common elements. That's why we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. In union of above questions, example 1, only we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 element. But here, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements are there, but 2 elements which are repeated. So we have to write once, not twice. So remember that in union we have to combine all elements of A and B without repeating the common one. Without repeating the common one. Union. Now come to intersection. Now see, intersection means we have to take only common elements of A and B. Only common elements of A and B. Example 3. Find A intersection B. If A is a set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. B is a set having numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now A intersection B, we have to take only common elements. 1 is there, 1 is there. So we can write here 1. 2 is there, 2 is there. We can write 2. 3 is there, 3 is there. Yes. 4 is there, 4 there. We can take. 5, not, 5 is in B, not in A. That's why we cannot write this. 6 also there. So only 4 elements are common in both. So we can write the common elements. Okay. Once we have to write all common elements. Intersection means take out the common of two sets. Now subtract. Subtract A minus B. Subtraction is nothing but set A minus set B. Write set A here. Suppose we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. This example minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again this. So subtraction How we have to perform? Pick one element of A. If it is in there B, so minus it, you will not write in the answer set. Okay, there is no need to write in a answer set. 1 is there, 1 minus 1 gone. So there is no need to write in this. 2 gone, 3 gone, 4 gone. Any other element is there? Not there in A. So it is a empty set. It is null set. Means 4 elements of A is in also in B. So 4 minus 4 elements minus by this 4. So nothing will be there in A. Suppose B minus A, if you take, what happened? Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus A. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we will get that 1 gone. Yes, there is no need to write. 2 gone. 2 is there gone. 3 is there gone. 4 is there gone. 5 belongs to B. But 5 is not there in A. So this will left out. So we have to write. 6 not there in A. So 6 minus not there. So 6 we left. So we have to write here. So this is our B minus A. Here A minus B is 5. B minus A for same sets are this. So always we have a relation. Remember that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. For any two sets, A and B different sets, we get this result. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Remember that. Okay. Now we will go for complement sets. Now complement sets. One more one thing you have to remember here, while taking complement, you should need a universal set. Universal set is the biggest sets in a given sets, and all other are subsets of them. So we we represent with a U. So here one example is given for complement. Universal set, sometime we can write with U or sometime with mu. Okay, mu or U. If mu equal to U, mu or U, both are same. Elements having in it are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. A is a set of odd numbers up to 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is a set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. C is a set 2, 3, 5, 7 means prime numbers. D 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Here composite numbers 4, 6 and 1 is there unit not given, leave it. D for these are the 4 sets given. Now we have to find complement. Complement we can write A dash or A complement. A power C, B dash, B power C, C power C or C dash, D power C or D dash. In power, in a place of power we have to write dash or C. Okay, dash or C. Now we are going to find complements. A complement A dash, or we can see A complement A power C equal to U minus A. Remember, what complement we want to take, we have to subtract that set from union. That's enough. Okay. So A complement is what? Mu. Mu set we have to write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus A. A is what? Only these numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers are there. Now subtract it, you will get 1 is odd is gone. 2 is odd, 2 is even, not there. So we left this number. We have in our set 3 gone, 5 we have, 6 4. Okay, 4 we have, 5 gone because odd are there. 6 we have, 7 gone, 7 also there, gone. 8 we left there, 9 gone, 10. So this is our A complement. A complement here what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, B set is there. So we can say A complement is nothing but B, because we are getting same numbers, that's why we are writing. There is no need to write A always this and this. If they are different, okay, but here odd and even there, that's why we are getting each other reciprocally. Complement of A is B. Now we are going to find second bit, B complement. B complement is again U minus B, right? Union, U means your universal set. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus B. B is what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Even numbers are there. Now subtract. Pick one number from this. See there, if there, minus it. Otherwise put it like that. 1 is left here. We have to write 2 gone. 3 left. 4 gone. 5 left. 6 gone. 7 left. 8 gone. 9 is left. 10 is gone. So we have only in B complement odd numbers. All are odd. Odd is what? A having the same one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is nothing but A. Okay. A, B complement is A. Why? Because A is entirely different than B. A have the odd numbers of union. B has even numbers of union. So B complement is odd. A complement is even. So this way we can find, and we can find C also. Okay, C is prime. C complement is what? We have to write again union set minus this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus what you have to do? You have to subtract prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 less than 10. These are the 4 prime numbers. Okay. Now shall I rub this? The first 4 lines. Okay. Now take the complement of C. C complement is what? C complement is 1. 1 is left because 2 gone. 3 is gone. 4 left because it's a not prime number. 5 gone because 5 is 5. 5 and 5 is there. 6 it's left. 7 is gone. 8, 9 and 10. So these are complement, C complement. D complement is also there. D complement is nothing but union minus D. Union is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus D. D is what? All composite numbers. 5, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now subtract that. You will get what? 1 left. 2, 3, 4 gone, 5, 7. These are our complements. Complement can be taken by subtracting the set itself from the biggest one or universal set. So like that we find the complements. Now some special properties on complements we will do now. Now power set. How to represent power set and what is power set actually. See here, power set means P of set name, a set of all subsets of a given set is called power set. P set name. Example, suppose we are taking example 1 for this. A is a set having 3 elements. What is that? A, B, C. How many elements are there? 3. So subset, number of subset is how much? Number of subsets, that is 2 to the power of 3, 8. You know, we already know that. If we write all subsets, A1 is what? A. A2 is what? B. A3 is what? C. A4 is what? Combination AB. A5 is what? A, B, AC. A6 is what? BC. A7 is what? Complete set A, B, C. Okay. Now A8 is what? That is 5. If we write all the sets in a set, suppose I am writing power set of A. A is there, so we are writing name of that set. Power set of A is a set, a biggest set in which these are there. What is there? A1 is there, A2 is there, A3 is there, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. All elements are there. Or we can write like this, or otherwise we can write the set itself also as element. A, B, C. Okay. Now combination AB, AC, BC. Biggest one A, B, C, and null set 5. So this is called power set of A. Okay, power set of A. Here always n of P of A is nothing but the value of that one. The value of that number of subset is here. Now value of this is how much? N of we have to take n of or we can write the total subset of A. Total subset of A is this 2 to the power of n of A. This is the number of elements present in a power set is 2 to the power of n of A. 2 to the power of n of A. Very important property. Now number of proper subset. Number of proper is there. Subset, you know how much for A is how much? Suppose A is 1, 2, 3 or ABC. Now we have done ABC also. So proper number of subset of A is how much? That is 2 to the power of n of A. That means 2 to the power of 3. Why? Because n of A is here also 3, here also 3. So this is nothing but 8. This is a formula. Now proper is given. Number of proper. Whenever you listen this word or read this word proper subset, so you have to reduce 1. A equal to this number n of 2 to the power of n of A minus 1. This is nothing but 8 minus 1, that is 7. There are proper subsets. 7 A have 7 proper subsets. 1 equal itself. So that's why this is a formula for proper subset is 2 to the power of n of A minus 1. Here 2 to the power of n of A. 2 to the power of n of A 8. 2 to the power of n of A minus 1 is 8 minus 1, that is 7. So remember this property. For a proper subset 1 you have to subtract. For subsets we have to take 2 to the power of n of A. Now formulae are some important results of sets. So first here A union B equal to B union A. Commutative law is there. A union B always B union A. A intersection B always B intersection A. Third one, A union B intersection C. Union of A, union of, we are taking A union with B intersection C. We have to separate these. A union B, take intersection A union C. Here intersection is outside bracket. So A intersection B one time, A intersection C one time, take union of that. So these are the important results. Now very important one is fifth one, A union B minus A intersection B is called A delta B. A triangle B, delta or triangle, we can read it. And this is similar to A minus B union B minus A. Take a difference, A minus B, B minus A. If you take the union of these two sets, you will get A delta B. delta B is represented with union, intersection, difference, or difference of two sets with union. So very important property. Now A minus B is not equal to B minus A. A minus B union C is there. So separate it, A minus B, A minus C. But union will change to intersection. Again intersection change to union. A minus B intersection C is there. So A minus B intersection change to union A minus C. A union B whole complement is nothing but A complement union change to intersection B complement. If we are taking separately or wholly, whenever whole union is there, change it to intersection by separating each one. Complement of A, intersection complement of B. A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. And complement 11th one, A complement is nothing but mu minus A. Okay. Mu is what? Universal set. Complement of mu is 5. This is important property 12. Our complement of 5 is mu. So these are the properties or important results in a set. You have to remember it. You can taking any set, you can find all these operations. This fifth one is very important, and these are the complements also very important for your examinations.